In Kiuruvesi, in the Rantakylä area, work is underway for a new light traffic route. Before construction can move forward, the trees along the roadside need to be removed safely and efficiently. At first glance, this may look like a straightforward tree removal job, but on this site, the conditions make the work far more demanding than usual. The trees are standing close to a busy road. There are street light lines nearby, houses on the other side, and regular traffic passing only a short distance from the work zone. There are also planted areas, private yards, and other property close to the trees. Because of all this, the trees can't simply be felled in one piece. A normal straight felling would create too much risk. That's why the team brought in a Grapple saw truck. With this method, the machine can reach up, hold the tree securely, cut it in controlled sections, and move each piece directly away from the danger area. Instead of letting the tree fall, the operator controls every movement. This makes the work safer for the road, the workers, nearby homes, and passing vehicles. As each section is cut, the material is placed straight into the collection truck. This keeps the work area cleaner and reduces the amount of handling needed on the ground. It also speeds up the whole operation. When experienced operators, forestry workers, and traffic control work together, even a difficult site like this can be handled in a controlled and efficient way. Traffic management is a major part of the job. One lane is needed for the machinery and the trucks, so traffic controllers are positioned on both sides of the work area. Because the road has a small hill and limited visibility, communication is essential. The traffic controllers use radios to coordinate with each other and keep vehicles moving safely through the site. At the same time, other construction work is also taking place nearby, with excavators and heavy vehicles moving in and out of the area. So the tree removal has to fit into a large roadwork environment. The road traffic is not the only risk. There are homes close to the work area, and where there are homes, there may be also people, pets, garden plantings, fences, and other property nearby. Even when the work is done carefully, branches can shift or fall during handling. That's why the operation is planned step by step with safety as the main priority. Every cut, lift and movement has to be controlled. Several other methods could have been considered. The trees could potentially have been handled with climbing work, a lift platform, or assisted felling using other forestry machines. But in this location, those options would have been slower, more complicated, or less suitable. The Grapple saw truck was the best solution because it can grip, cut, lift, and move the tree sections directly into the truck. That means fewer loose branches on the ground, less manual handling, and a faster clean-up afterwards. For the crew, this is the kind of work where planning and experience matter. The goal is not just to remove the trees. The goal is to remove them safely, without damage and without causing unnecessary disruption to the traffic or nearby residents. When the site is tight, the traffic is close and there are homes right beside the work zone, the right method makes all the difference. Once the trees are removed and the area is cleared, the construction of the new light traffic route can continue. For the team, it's one job completed and then on to the next site. A busy summer of forestry and road work continues, one carefully planned operation at a time. Thanks for watching. For more videos from real work sites, forestry operations and road construction projects, remember to subscribe and follow the work as it happens.